This evening is not just a ceremony, it's a celebration. A celebration of voices, a celebration of courage, a celebration of leadership. What a journey we have lived! What a chapter we have written, and what a success we have achieved together. 3 days. 3 days of thought, of debate, of discipline, and 700 delegates. 700 journeys and 700 dreams in one space. From Khandwa, from Burhanpur, from cities, from classrooms, from hearts full of curiosity, 17 committees, 17 universes of diplomacy. Every gable strike is an echo of justice. Every moderated caucus is an explosion of ideas. Every unmoderated caucus is an ocean of creativity. Discipline was your armor. Passion was your fire. Friendship was your gift. And learning was your victory. But look back. Remember your first speech. Remember your first point of information. Remember the nerves, the fear, the silence, and then remember how you stood taller, how you spoke louder, how you became better. Chapter 1. We had 350 delegates, 12 committees, and the spark was lit. Chapter 2. More voices, more dreams, and the fire grew stronger. But Chapter 3. 700 delegates, 17 committees, and a wildfire of ideas. And now, this is not an ending. This is a new beginning. MVMN is not 3 chapters. MVMN is a movement, is a family, and it's a legacy. You are not just delegates. You are diplomats in training. You are leaders in making. You are the authors of tomorrow. This flame you carry forward, carry it into your schools, into your communities, into your future. Because leadership does not end in this hall. It begins here. And it lives in you. So delegates, rise, stand tall, be proud. Chapter 3 closes tonight, but Chapter 4 begins with you. So, I thank you all for your contribution in this event, for your performances in this event, for your debate in this event. I thank you, the management, for helping us throughout this event. These 6 months were too good, like it was a whole new chapter for my life. Thank you. At the end, I need you to repeat with me. Jai Hind! One day, we live for peace. Say peace. Peace. Thank you.
Thank you, Master Kaustubh Pandey, for your thoughtful words. Your guidance has been a true anchor to this conference, leaving us with inspiration as we close MVMUN Chapter 3 2025.
Classical dance carries the weight of centuries, rooted in tradition, refined through time. Hip-hop, raw and dynamic, echoes the spirit of prison, bold, unfiltered, alive. When these two forms converge, it's more than a performance. It's a powerful dialogue between heritage and modern expression.
What makes this even more special is that every moment, every transition, and has been choreographed by the performers themselves. A true reflection of artistry, collaboration, and passion.
Get ready to witness the stage where mudras meet grooves, where rhythm blends with beats, and where tradition extends a hand to innovation.
Please join us in welcoming a stunning self-choreographed fusion of classical and hip-hop dance.
Now for I follow my lead.
Baby back, ayy, couple racks, ayy, couple Grammys on her, couple packs, ayy, that's a fact, ayy, throw it back, ayy, throw it back, I told you.
A truly mesmerizing act. Thank you to our dancers for blending grace with energy and giving us a performance to remember. Ladies and gentlemen, we now arrive at a very special moment of closing ceremony, the prize distribution. It is time to honor the delegates whose hard work, diplomacy and leadership stood out across all committees. Each award is not just a recognition, but a celebration of countless hours of research, debate, and discussions that define this conference. To present these honors, we will now be inviting chairs and vice chairs of each committee one by one. We begin with United Nations Women, UNW, a platform where the voices of equality and empowerment shade powerful discussions. May we request the Chair, Nomi Madan, and Vice Chair, Rajvi Jain, to UNW of kindly come forward and present the award. Honorable delegates, this committee has been a test of ideas, diplomacy and leadership. Each of you has contributed, but a few stood out of excellence. It's my honor to announce the prizes.
So the prize of Honorable Mention goes to the delegate of Morocco, Nandini Sanjay Sabnani.
I would like to invite Mr. J.S. Pamar sir to felicitate the students, please.
The award of special mention goes to the delegate of United Kingdom, Abhigya Soni.
I would like to invite
Asia, Nancy Dudnani.
I would like to invite Mrs. Sheetal Popli Man to felicitate the student, please.
Now the best delegate award goes to Ananya Suryavanshi, the delegate of Ukraine.
I would like to invite Mrs. Devanshi Thompson Man to felicitate the students, please. Congratulations to all the delegates. to the United Nations Human Rights Council, UNHRC, a committee that stood firm on justice, dignity and human rights. May we invite the Chair Adi Agrawal and Vice Chair Abir Dave of UNHRC to the stage.
When you marooned me on that block for seconds, but one very important thing, mate.
Greeting delegates. In these days, we had a lot of fun, and by a very fine margin, we have the final result.
For awarding them, I would like to call Parmar sir and Sheetal ma'am. For the verbal mention, we have the delegate of Palestine, Pihu Jaiswal.
For the special mention, we have the delegate of Switzerland, Quresh Gattani.
For the high commendation, we have the delegate of United Kingdom, Naman Patidar.
And the award for best delegate goes to United States of America, Shashwat Agame. Congratulations, delegate. Thank you, ma'am, for your time. I request you to sit. Next, we would like to call EBs of UNCTAD.
Next, we call upon the All Indian Political Parties Meet, AIPPM, where the pulse of Indian politics came alive in every debate. May the Chair, Achal Parikh, and Vice Chair, Aditya Chauhan of AIPPM kindly step forward. Thank you, delegates. Jai Shri Krishna to all the guests, esteemed guests, and fellow delegates. I, Achal Parikh, am here as the chair of AIPPM, here to announce the result of one and only committee who was thrilled and set the committee, set everyone on fire. So,
now, first of all, we would like to ask the verbal mention, who is none other than the PMM of our country, the portfolio holding Narendra Modi, Vineet Nilesh Mahajan.
we would like to call Honorable Pratibha ma'am and Devanshi ma'am on the stage, please.
Delegates, please show your energy.
AIPPM, show your energy.
after Narendra Modi. Guess who? Correct answer. It is Rahul Gandhi. Kushali Thakur, please come up on the stage.
Next, we have the highest recommendation. Any guesses? We have Sonia Gandhi with us, who is Sia Solanki. And the most awaited award, the best delegate. The best delegate for AIPPM is Nitin Gadkari. Arakis Soni.
डेलीगेट्स तालियों की आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Thank you, delegates. Next, we call upon the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, UNC TAG, where global economies and trade policies found a stage of diplomacy. May the Chair, Sparsh Agrawal, and the Vice Chair, Kashish Pokhrana of UNCTAD, please step forward. Good evening, everybody.
So, delegates, are you ready for the awards of our committee which was full of diplomats? So, all the UNCTAD members, give me a cheer.
We would like to invite Pratibha ma'am and Gaurav sir on the stage for prize distribution. So, verbal mention goes to Finland Satyam Kurmi. A special mention goes to Mexico, Yasha Sakhira.
And the high commendation goes to Germany, Akshay Maheshwari. And at last, the best delegate of UNCTAD, USA, Aarti Agarwal.
Our next committee is the United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP, where pressing issues of sustainability and climate actions were deliberated with urgency. May the Chair, Lavanya Gupta, and Vice Chair, Akshay Srivastav of UNEP join us on the stage.
Greetings to one and all present over here.
honorable chief guests, and the audience, delegates in different form and color. Now, as we have reached to the end of this session, the day 3, we might have learned something, kept something, the values which we inherit, and now I believe we have developed our personality and the MUN which we have witnessed something from it, even if we did not speak as much, even if it was merely limited to the listening, but still, MVMUN Chapter 3 takes us all within ourselves, deep within ourselves. Thank you so much. Now I would request the Vice Chair to please proceed with the awards.
The best delegate of the committee UNEP goes to the delegate of Thailand. I would request to call upon Pooja ma'am and Abhishek sir for the felicitation of our winners.
Living up on sipping on beer. Yeah, clap for me man right here. Hey, no matter what they say, I'm gonna clap ya. Hey, no matter what they do, I'm gonna clap ya. Hey, no matter what they say,
Special mention from UNEP goes to the delegate of United Kingdom.
it's right with the man right here. Living up on sipping on beer. Yeah, clap for me man right here. Got the man with the blind right here. It's right with the man right here. Living up on sipping on beer. Yeah, clap.
And verbal mention goes to the delegate of New Zealand.
Yeah, beautiful.
चेक हो गई लेकिन अभी मजबूत है।
Thank you so much.
Mission ILC, the very backbone of international legal frameworks and principles. May the Chair Rashi Sukhwani and Vice Chair Dhairya Tilwani of ILC please come forward.
Delegates, thank you for your active participation and the effort you've put into making this committee a success.
Now the moment has been arrived, which we have all been waiting for, the awards. So the verbal mention for ILC goes to China Walker.
I would like to call Parmar sir and Devanshi ma'am for the felicitation.
And the next award, which is special mention, goes to Indian government.
The high commendation goes to Japan employers. The high commendation goes to Japan employer. Can you all guess the best delegate? The best delegate goes to China government.
He's a freaking bad.
Thank you, delegate. Moving ahead, we now call upon the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, a committee that emphasizes learning, heritage and progress for humanity. May the Chair, Khushi Jain, and Vice Chair, Kriti Jain of UNESCO step forward. Greetings to everyone. So, did we enjoy MVMUN Chapter 3? Once again, did we enjoy MVMUN Chapter 3? So expected. I, Khushi Jain, Chair of UNESCO MVMUN Chapter 3, with the Vice Chair, Riti Jain, are here to announce the most awaited moment of MVMUN Chapter 3, that is awards. So, for the same, we would like to call Antra ma'am and Sheetal Popli ma'am to join us for the distribution of prizes. Please, ma'am. So, let us begin, starting firstly with the verbal mention. For the verbal mention, we would like to call the delegate of Israel. Come on, guys! Moving further, for the special mention, we would like to call the delegate of USA. Nextly, for the highest recommendation, the delegate of Russia. So, Committee of UNESCO, any guesses for the best delegate? So guys, hold your breath for the best delegate, the one who was smart, the one who was really smart pitching to his own alliance. The name for the best delegate, UNESCO MVMUN Chapter 3 goes to the delegate of Argentina. All the best for future very reading. Bye. Our next committee is the United Nations Security Council, UNSC, where global peace and security were debated with intensity and resolve. May the Chair, Kaustubh Pandey, and Vice Chair, Vidhan Jain of UNSC kindly join us.
Delegates, now it's time for UNSC, one of the most powerful committees in the whole United Nations, the only committee which has the veto power, though we didn't exercise it. Okay, so I need the committee of UNSC to please give me a very huge shout out. UNSC! Thank you very much. Now we move forward to the awards.
Now it's time what you all have been waiting for, the awards. So let's start with verbal mention. So it goes to Afghanistan, Amiral Tripathi.
I'd like to call Parmar sir and Sheetal ma'am on the stage. Please facilitate the students.
Now special mention, United Kingdom, Aradhya Gangwale. highest commendation. Russia, Abhigyan Singh Baghel.
Do we have any guesses for the best delegate? The best delegate award goes to China, and that is Prakhar Agarwal.
The International Monetary Fund, IMF, the pillar of global financial stability and development. May the honorable mention, Delegate of India, Sampada Joshi.
Special mention, Delegate of Switzerland, Shahat Kotwani.
Highest commendation, Delegate of United Arab Emirates, Sonia Thakur.
Now, the most awaited award of Best Delegate goes to Delegate of Kenya. Adya.
Award for Adya. You have shown that true strength lies in standing up for yourself, and you did it with incredible dignity. We appreciate you for your hard work. IMF, show your presence. NSE, a committee of numbers, policy, and financial acumen. May the Chair Rudransh Modi and Vice Chair Gaurav Gunjan of NSE kindly join us.
Peace is not made at the council table or by treaties, but in the hearts of man. Good evening, everyone.
Now the most awaited moment is here. We would like to call the winners of the committee National Security Council. I would like to call Gaurav sir and Pratima ma'am to present the awards. NSC, show your Josh. So let's start with verbal mention. The verbal mention goes to the delegate of Admiral Dinesh Kumar Tripathi, Chief of Naval Staff.
Next award of special mention goes to the delegate of Vikram Sood, Intelligence Expert.
The award of highest commendation goes to Home Minister Amit Shah.
And now the most precious award of then the Best Delegate Award goes to S. Somnath, Chief of ISRO. The delegate is a great speaker and was hitting very right questions in the committee.
youth-centered discussion found their voice. May the Chair Shivendra Dwivedi and Vice Chair Akshara Rai of CBSE come forward.
A very good morning to one and all present over here. I hope every one of you enjoyed. Did you? I expect a little bit of more energy. Did you? Well, I am Shivendra Dwivedi, the chair of CBSE, with my partner,
Akshara Rai.
and we feel privileged to chair a committee like this. Seeing the procedural, seeing the smooth work of the management, we can guess what kind of stress, what kind of hard work has been done by our management. So can we give a huge round of applause and a huge cheer to our management team of MVMUN. We need more appreciation, guys.
We are honored to witness such a beautiful event and with the most energetic delegates in our committee.
Well, now it is the moment of truth.
Let's move towards the awards. Firstly, the verbal mention. It goes to Shri Vivek Kumar Singh.
The delegate of Vivek Kumar Singh, I would like to invite upon the stage Tanu ma'am from MVS Khandwa and Chahat sir from Angels Planet School to facilitate our winners.
Next goes the special mention. It goes to Ritu Harsh.
Delegate of Ritu Harsh is requested to join us on the stage.
Goes to Tarun Kumar.
Delegate of Tarun Kumar is requested to join us too. Can we please appreciate our winners?
Destroy your reputation. Be notorious.
Well, now for the most awaited award. Yeah, the best delegate. Any guesses? Well, you all are right. The delegate of Shri Rahul Singh, the chairman of CBSE, has won the best delegate of this committee. Please give a huge round of applause. Some want prizes, some want memories, some want learnings. I hope everyone, I am so delighted to see you in the next edition as well. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Where the nation's defense and security strategies were weighed with vision and strength. May the Chair Saksham Matham and Vice Chair Naitik Jain of PNC join us.
Greetings, delegate. I, Saksham Markam, as the chair of Prime Minister Cabinet,
And this is Naitik Jain, as the Vice Chair of Prime Minister's Cabinet, feel immensely privileged to stand before all of you to announce the results of what we have observed so far. So, to call for the same, I would like to call our Executive Director of All Is Well Multi-Speciality Hospital, Ms. Devanshi Joxer ma'am, and our Deputy Principal, Ms. Sheetal Kokli ma'am, on the stage to facilitate students. So, delegates, the verbal mention goes to the delegate of C. Raja Mohan.
now for the next, we have the award of special mention, which goes to the delegate of S. J. Shankar.
Moving ahead, we now recognize the Continuous Crisis Committee, CCC, the committee that never slept, adapting to every twist and turn in real time. May the Chair, Prerna Bhaviskar, and Vice Chair, Avni Bhaksar of CCC, please come forward. Distinguished delegates, with this, we come to the closing movements of our continuous crisis committee. Over the course of these sessions, you have shown resilience, quick thinking, and exceptional diplomacy in handling the crisis thrown your way. Now, it's my honor to announce the awards for this committee. These are not just for diplomacy alone, but for the overall leadership, strategy, and presence you displayed in the crisis situation.
So, the award of verbal mention goes to the delegate of Sanjay Gandhi, Abhishek Solanki.
Yes, Indira Gandhi has also won the prize, so the award of special mention goes to Mal Gangwal.
Highest commendation goes to B.G. Vargi, Aradhya Mishra.
And finally, the most prestigious award, best delegate goes to
Arjun Nigam.
Now we would like to invite Parnar sir to do the honors. And Gaurav sir.
I request everyone to give a huge round of applause to all the winners and equally to every delegate who contributed to the committee.
With that, I officially declare the session of Continuous Crisis Committee closed. Thank you.
Our next committee is the one that united sport and strategy, the Indian Premier League (IPL). Main chair Akshit Jain and vice chair Yashvi Rathore of IPL.
Delegates, before starting anything, I would like to hear the enjoyment through your throat of MVMN Chapter 3.
Good morning, good evening to respected guests.
And all my dear fellow delegates, I, the chair of IPL committee, Akshat Jain,
And I, the Vice Chair Yashvi Rathore, are here to announce the result for 3 days of committee session.
the committee which is new for everyone, and that is IPL.
Indian Premier League. So, I would like to call respected Devanshi ma'am and Sheetal ma'am to present all the prizes. So, let us start firstly with verbal mention which goes to auction strategist of CSK Anurag Chhabaria.
Now, let's go on with a special mention which goes to owner of Mumbai Indians. And the name is Ansh Chouhare.
Now, let us go further with highest recommendation, that is owner of Delhi Capitals, Rajveer Shah.
And last, actually the first, and finally the best delegate goes to head coach of RCB, Anjanya Gupta.
Sabha. May the Chair, Prashant Merchant Sir, and Vice Chair, Vishwadeep Singh Chauhan of Lok Sabha, please come forward.
Hello, I am the chair of Lok Sabha and old vice chair is here to announce 3 days result. So here we go.
So, the best verbal mention award goes to... Any guesses?
Shashi Tharoor. His name is Veer Bishnoi.
I would like to invite our dignitaries, Mr. Parmar sir on the stage and our Executive Director of All Israel Multi-Speciality Hospital, Mrs. Devanshi Chokse, to felicitate them. Now, for the verbal mention, we have the delegate of
For special mention, we have delegate of Brijmohan Agrawal.
For the next award, which is of highest recommendation, we have the delegate of
Narendra Modi. For best delegate, any guesses? Yes, Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi, please come on stage fast. डेलीगेट ऑफ राहुल गांधी के बारे में मैं कुछ कहना चाहूँगा. इनने तीनों दिन ओपन डिबेट्स, मॉडरेटेड कॉकस सब में बढ़ चढ़ के पार्टिसिपेट किया और ये डोमिनेटर है ये कमेटी के. 1v5 डिबेट भी इनने करी है. Thank you, Parmar sir and Devanshi ma'am.
Delegates, model United Nations is based on. We move on to the committee which has been the most formal in the whole MVMUN Chapter 3. We move on to the committee which is known as United Nations General Assembly. I'd like to call Tanay Agrawal and Utkarsh Singh on the stage for announcing the prizes.
Good evening to all the delegates of United Nations General Assembly. Thank you. It has been an honor to chair the most populated UN organization, that is the UNGA, at MVMUN Chapter 3. Over these sessions, I have seen passion, diplomacy and efforts like none other. Remember, the true reward of MUN lies not in the awards but in the skills and the friendships that you carry forward.
We played games, had fun being serious towards the committee. Really was month-long cherishing dates. Being vice chair of this committee, congrats to all diplomats and to all our award recipients. Your dedication, diplomatic skills have enriched the spirit of United Nations General Assembly. Guys, be proud, you have set a high standard. We are looking forward to your engagement in our next MVMUN Chapter 4.
So, the moment has come. 3 days conferences, lot of discussions, lot of debates, the last DR and the placard ceremony, all in one, comprised in the prize distribution. Are we ready? If you are in affirmation, say yes, chair. Thank you.
Now moving to awards, I'd like to call the award for verbal mention which goes to Netherlands. being Ishit Singh. I call upon the stage Megha Ma'am and our Director General of MVMUN Chapter 3, Ms. Antara Chokse. Next up, for special mention, we have Singapore, that is Karthikeya Dade. Having the highest recommendation, we have the delegate of UAE, being Raghav Singh Chauhan. A huge round of applause for UAE. Now we come to the final award, that is the Best Delegate Award. Any guesses? Yes, you are right. It is the Delegate of Japan, Priyanka Kalra. For Japan. Thank you.
And last but never least, we recognize the international press, the voice that observed, questioned and documented every moment of this MUN. I would like to call the Director General of MUN Chapter 3, Ms. Antara Chokse, to announce the award.
All is well? So, apparently I am the head of IP committee, international press, who did a very great job at questioning you all delegates. So please put a huge round of applause. So, since I have the mic, I would like to take this opportunity to thank someone who has put a lot of work behind those shields that you have. He is none other than our Chief Technical Officer, Mr. Vijay Sukhwani. Please put a huge round of applause. So, before we dive into it, I would like to play a reel to give you a flashback of last 3 days. Mahendra, reel.
Endless memories.
let's move on to the last series of prize, which is followed by the cultural performances. I would like to call two very special people on the stage to give these awards. आपने इन लोगों को कभी शायद स्टेज के सामने नहीं देखा है, but they have put in a lot of work. So I would like to call Megha Gokhale ma'am on the stage. Megha ma'am वैसे तो 1st to 5th में आर्ट डिपार्टमेंट की हेड है, लेकिन मेघा मैम आप जितने इवेंट्स देखते हैं, बहुत सारे डेकोरेशंस देखते हैं, उस सब के पीछे मेघा मैम है. So please put a huge round of applause. Megha ma'am आइए. Second, I would like to call Mr. Soham Patil. सोहम सर हमारे सोशल मीडिया देखते हैं, all of it that you see, Macrovision Academy, everything. He is the one who has taught most of the students जो IT में हैं, and this video is also Soham sir's creativity. So thank you. Now, the award of best photographer. Any guesses? Ragi Kiledar on the stage. Next up is the award for best journalist. Can I hear the name? With full majority, the motion clearly passes. It's Navyan Singh Thakur. नव्यांश तेजी से देश आगे बढ़ रहा है. Boys, I cannot hear it.
тебя жизнь мозгов клубники пива, а ты быстро и да, это плохо, раскатай луку, закатай обратно, уничтожь себя, делай все себя.
Thank you. So that being said, I hope मैंने जो फर्स्ट डे पे स्पीच दी थी, where I hope कि आप में एक स्ट्रेंथ आएगी, and you have made those memories, you have had those lessons, and you have made those connections with each other. So पहले दिन जो मैंने बोला था वो सच है, like is it true? I think that is it. So this is me, Director General, MVMUN Chapter 3, signing off. Thank you.
To all awardees, your recognition is a reflection of your skill, dedication, and passion. Wear it as a badge of honor, but also as a reminder to strive for even greater heights. And to every delegate who participated, you have all been the lifeblood of MVMUN 2025. This conference belongs to you, and your voices will echo far beyond the
language. In these moments, expression find a different voice.
And that voice is the language of art, the rhythm of movement, the power of expression. As our talented boys present the Hekathi, a dance of power, grace, and timeless emotion.
तेरे पास हवा ला रहा हूँ Thank you to our boys for a performance that spoke without words.
Carries the same essence. Different notes, different instruments, different strings coming together to form a harmony.
And today we witness that spirit not in resolution or speech, but in rhythm and melody. A student-led assembles that embodies collaboration, passion and creativity. Band Agni.
Just as fire symbolizes energy, transformation and continuity, Band Agni brings that very spark to a stage. Their performance reminds us that music, like diplomacy, unites differences into one shared experience.
Delegates, it is now time to immerse yourself in that experience. Please welcome with all your applause, Band Agni.
Make some noise, come on!
We're going to have a blast today, okay? And I want you all to sing along with me. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. सांसों का ये समा क्या हुआ हर जाने हो गया तू मेरा और जुदाई मान हुआ बेखुदी में बेकसी में हुआ तुझको हर दुआ दी हर लगा दी हर बड़ा हुआ गुरबा हुआ सही गाते हैं मिटा दो अब तो आदत सी है मुझको Thank you so much all.
In action. Ideas challenged, perspective defended, and voices rising with purpose.
But none of this would have come together without one person, ensuring that every piece fit, every detail mattered, and every moment had meaning.
He has been more than just the Secretary General. He has been the constant behind the scenes and the mind that structured this experience and the spirit that kept it moving.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to hear from our very person who stood at the helm of MVMUN 2025. So please welcome our Secretary General, Master Maulik Bhargav, to share his words with us.
Delegates, I truly believe that we still are filled with a lot of energy. So, not from voice, again, to the loudest, make some noise for Team MVMUN Chapter 3. The last 3 days of MVMUN Chapter 3 have set a new benchmark for excellence, passion and youth leadership. With a record 700 delegates leaving an unforgettable mark on our chapter, the spirit in this hall proves that together we are truly on cloud 7. Innovating, collaborating and inspiring, this year we raised the bar higher than ever before. Our delegates showcased profound diplomacy, sharp debates and an unwavering commitment to solving the world's challenges. Every committee radiated energy and purpose, and every solution reflected your drive to shape a better future, delegates. You, the delegates of MVMUN, have demonstrated that young voice matters, both here and on the global stage. Like the Secretary General of United Nations says, the UN needs your energy, creativity, courage and commitment. Your actions this weekend have embodied global solidarity, compassion and bold ideas, delegates, bold ideas. From chairs to delegates, secretariat members to volunteers, each person played a vital role in the success of this MVMUN Chapter 3. Our strength lies in our unity, a mosaic of cultures, perspectives and dreams coming together for one shared cause. Let these memories fuel your ambition. Take the lessons, friendships, inspirations gained here beyond these walls. Continue to debate, dream and lead, delegates. MVMUN Chapter 3 is not the end. It is the beginning of what you will to achieve as future leaders. To the outstanding 700 delegates and every supporter, thank you. You have elevated MVMUN Chapter 3 to heights as it has never seen. The energy you brought, the changes you sparked and the hope you spread, these will echo long after today. Let's keep raising the bar higher. Because together we are unstoppable. So delegates,
In the end, we, with our most and maximum energy, would have 3 loud cheers for Team MVMUN Chapter 3. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you, delegates. This was your Secretary General, Maulid Bhargav. And now, I would like to officially declare this conference closed.